As always, welcome back to the channel, Big Vern's Moto Life, hustle and muscle every day. What better way than to start off this Saturday morning with a big bowl of cereal and of course Kung Fu Theater, as you see right here in one of my favorite movies, The Flying Guillotine. Hey guys, hopefully you guys remember those days when we used to get up and watch this all the time. Hey, let's jump right into the video. I've got a great one for you today. My boy Jerry from JLH Choppers is going to stop by. We're going to start the customization of that 2012 Street Glide and much more. All right, what is up, YouTube? Good morning. I am in the garage after we just got the 2012 Street Glide. We're gonna get the full customization started. I want you guys to stay with me on this journey. I'm gonna start getting some parts ready for paint. Jerry from JLH Choppers is on his way over. We're gonna strip some stuff down and get this thing ready to get this customization going. All right, stick with me. Let's get this day started. Perfect, perfect. All right, so let's jump right in, Big Vern style. First off, I am really feeling the custom mirrors that were installed from the previous owner. So I am definitely gonna get these things back in operating order. I'm gonna definitely detail them and bring them back to life. I wanna give you guys a quick tip. Do not reinvent the wheel. If you can save parts on your customization and bring them back to life, guys, do it. It will save you money on the back end and you can do other enhancements to the bike. All right, just like that. Washed it off, got a little quick wash. It is super cold out here, so it's not able to really get after this thing in detail. It needs a serious detail. But guys, I'm gonna pop up on this and let you check that out. I am loving that Harley-Davidson in cursive writing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, loving that RSD air filter. Definitely loving that. If you guys can get a good look at that, I'm gonna have to replace that point cover right there. Got a crack in it, no big deal. That is gonna be an easy replace. We are going to pop the bags off and get some spot work. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got scratches. We're gonna definitely have Jerry paint those bags. Good part is we only had a little nick right there. I'm gonna definitely have him paint that and get that all cleaned up. But as you guys see, no really big major damage to the bike. It is in great shape. I'm gonna absolutely take that bell cover off. We're gonna repaint that, guys. You can see it got a little scuffed up. We're definitely gonna repaint that, and then I'm gonna show you in the front a little bit of damage from those rock chips. We're gonna definitely pull the forks, the levers and everything, and we're gonna repaint all of that. It's gonna look amazing when we're done. The Daymaker headlight looks good. We're gonna clean that up and take that nacelle out, clean that up really good. Everything else looks super good, as you can see. So definitely stay with me on this journey. This boy is gonna be fire when we are finished with it. All right, I'll talk to you in a minute. We'll be right back. All right, I want to give a huge shout out to my man Jerry from JLH Choppers, who came by on a cold day today to help me strip down this 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Guys, we had to stop for a cup of cocoa, but we are back at it again, and we're going to definitely hit those Paul Yaffe bars on this custom 2012 Street Glide. We are going to adjust these babies to fit nice and tight. Hey, fellas, if you are buying a bike or you are installing a bike and putting on new handlebars, make sure those handlebars fit. All right, YouTube, we are finishing the day up right now. We are loading everything up for paint, getting it ready. Got Jerry here right now from JLH Choppers. We are getting everything ready. We are gonna really turn this Street Glide into something crazy, another JLH Choppers production, guys. So as you can see, we've even got the Warrior tank off right here. We've got a little dent in there that we're gonna fix that. We've pulled off some other parts, so we're gonna lot going on in the garage today. As you guys can see, we're gonna take the bags off and get those babies ready to paint. We pulled off the console. We're even gonna pull off that derby. A lot of stuff going on today, but we're gonna get this bike all set up and ready, and we're also getting the Warrior all set up and ready. So we're gonna finish this thing off. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys stopping in the channel. We are in the garage and we are freezing our ass off, but it's all for you guys. I hope you guys are liking what we're doing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, fellas, welcome back to the channel. We are gonna stop in Rubber City Harley-Davidson. We're gonna check out the new 2022's. So come on in, let's check them out. We did a preview of a couple of them in the last video, a couple videos ago, but we're gonna go in and see if we can check out all the models, all right? Let's go. What is up, everybody? I want to check out this Saddleman seat that I am definitely trying to get, the SDC Saddleman step up. Definitely gonna be thinking about getting that for the bike. What do you guys think in the comments below? Let me zoom at the top of it, let you see it. It's got the stitching in there, all leather, all black. I'm loving that Saddleman on the side, and then as you see it, Saddleman wrote in there and the symbol also. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, so let's jump right in with this 2022 Road King Special. It's starting off at about $23,500. It comes in 3 colors, and as you see right here in the vid, it is the mineral green. Guys, it doesn't come with a fairing, but you can get that optional wind splitter windshield, and it looks crazy. Again, you're gonna get that Milwaukee 114 engine in there, which is gonna give you a lot of power. You're gonna get that Daymaker headlight, which I'm glad Harley updated. It's gonna be all blacked out, that engine, as well as those sexy stretch bags. Perfect. All right, so let's check out this 2022 Street Glide Special. You see it here in white sand pearl. The MSRP again is $27,500. Also comes in 10 colors with those 2-tone color options. It's got that Milwaukee 114 engine in with a lot of power. Hey, let's turn over to the red line red color in the Street Glide Special. I'm loving that color with the blacked out accents. It's also got that sweet bat wing fairing with the upgraded infotainment system and a newly designed cockpit. So I saved the best for last. This is the beast from the east. This is the 2022 Road Glide Special. You see it here in that red line red again with those black accents. Fellas, this is a bad bike. This is the king of the hill right here. Hey, sorry, unfortunately, we were not able to see the ST models. They're not gonna be available for a month or so. All right, guys, we are gonna put a wrap on today's video. I really appreciate you coming with me to Harley-Davidson. I really appreciate you guys stopping in with me in the garage. We're doing those customizations. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so I can get these babies out to you as soon as possible. Hey, until next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace. Thanks for watching.